Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper dish rack wash arm in your dishwasher, pull the upper dish rack out and rotate both front stop clips outward to fully remove the rack. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry the old wash arm away from the bushing to detach. Install the new wash arm by aligning it on the bushing and snapping it into place. Confirm the arm spins freely. Realign the upper dish rack rollers on the slide rails. Push the rack in and rotate the front stop clips inward.